This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job from TransUnion. TransUnion is hiring for data engineer role for full-time opportunity and location is Pune or Bangalore. And this is about company and this is your you have needed like you have completed a degree in a bachelor and you must have experience to 4 year of experience and you must have knowledge like OLAP, OLTP and ETL and you have good knowledge you must have need knowledge in Python. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is hiring. He is from business analyst from Hyderabad, Secunderabad location, and salary is not disclosed here. And experience need 0 to 2 year of experience. And this is your job description and all. And skill need like SQL, R, Python, and Power BI, Excel, and SQL. And how to apply this job? You click here apply and you fill the detail. And our next job is business analyst intern for Bangalore location and salary is 2.2 to 4 LPA per year. This is hiring for internship or job also. And this is your job description and experience needed like fresher and duration of internship is 3 months and in this period company pay you 20K per month and after that you have received 4 LPA per year. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is Salesforce admin and business analyst also. And experience need 0 to 1 year of experience you must have need and salary is 3 LPA to 5 LPA per year and the location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And you have completed your education in BTech electronic and communication and all MBA also. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst from Hyderabad and Secunderabad, Chennai, Bangalore location. And salary is 4 LPA to 5 LPA and you must have completed your graduation and experience need fresher. And how to apply this job? You click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our our next job is database designer and location is Pune, Ahmedabad, Mumbai. Or experience is 0 to 5 year of experience you must have need and this is a temporary job and and work from home, not work from office. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is SQL developer, database implementation and support. And our location is Gurugram. Salary is not disclosed here and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience in most of it. And this is your job description and how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is big data engineer for fresher 2022 and 2023 batch. This is a work from home opportunity and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience you must have need. And your responsibility analyze the data, build data, and you can read here all part. And your requirement skill like you must have knowledge of Python, SQL, IBM certificate you must have completed. And how to apply this job? You click here apply now and you fill the detail and salary is 4 to 5 LPA per year. And our next job is analysis data engineer for fresher 2022 and 2023 batch. This is also for remote location and this is your roles and responsibility uh, and experience need 0 to 2 year of experience you must submit. And how to apply this job, you click here apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video guys. Thank you everyone.